Hey, if your Redmi Watch 4 does not charge properly, let me quickly show you how you can try to fix this. So first of all, I think that you have to take a look on your gold pins that are just right here in this place. And when you are wearing your watch like this for like week, month, 2 or even 3 months, and you are not cleaning this place, there's like big chance that there's some kind of the pieces of the dust, your hair, maybe even pieces of your skin, and you will have to just take a look here and be sure that it is actually clean. There's like no any problem to stick right here your charger. So normally you can just put it like this and it will charge without any issue. But if your pins, if there's like any mess right here or right here, there's like big chance that you cannot properly charge your watch. So just take a look on this one. And the second option is also kind of obvious. There's like a big chance that something is wrong with your cable, or for example the charging brick. So this is like really bad quality cable. It's actually very cheap. So sometimes when you bend it or put it somewhere in the tight places, there's like big chance that something inside will be broken and it will be not able to charge your watch properly. So just try to replace the cable, try to change your charging brick, and simply try to charge your watch one more time. And if it doesn't help you, definitely I can recommend you to use the warranty of this product. And yeah, that's it. There's 2 simple advices. Maybe it will help you. Right now, please subscribe to my channel and see you in the next one.